guys, welcome to my channel Mobile Marketing Lab, where I show people how to make money online using their phones. Here again, I give marketing tips on how to take your online business to the next level. In this new video, I will reveal best types of content for YouTube if you want to be an affiliate marketer, because some content is just more suited to affiliate marketing. Ideally, the video is naturally about the product, so you are not forcing an affiliate product into the video for no reason. Here are some of the best ways to naturally incorporate your affiliate links into your YouTube videos. The first one is reviews. If you want to start as an affiliate marketer, on YouTube, I would advise you to start reviewing products. This one makes sense, right? If you are reviewing a product, it only makes sense to include an affiliate link. Of course, you want people to click the link. Make sure it is a product you like. Above all, it is best to be honest in your review. Otherwise, people won't trust your opinion. The best way or the best content you can start creating video for is tutorials and how-tos. These videos are great for affiliate marketing because they are focused on a product or service. Creating genuinely helpful tutorials is not only good for affiliate marketing, but it's also great for the overall success of your channel. So if you know how to show people something, just like the video I'm creating now, it's about tutorials and how to do something. Okay, so you can do the same thing. You can apply the same wisdom to affiliate product, creating not only creating reviews or how to go about it. That's what I mean by tutorials. If you know how to do that, you can create videos as an affiliate marketer. The third best content for YouTube I will reveal here is what we call unboxing videos. If you have physical affiliate products, an unboxing video is a great idea. Before making a purchase, people want to know what the products look like and how it performs. This is especially true for products that are only available for online purchase. The other plus side is that if someone is looking into this type of content, chances are that they are looking to buy it themselves. So if you are starting as a beginner, at the same time as a YouTuber, I will advise you to start creating your videos around these three tips. If you do that, you make a lot of money as an affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. May God bless you as you do.